Hello students, this is lecture number 6 and in this lecture we will learn how to add, subtract, multiply and divide the fractions that we just learned in the previous lecture. So to understand the addition and subtraction, because addition and subtraction are done on the same method. So first we are doing addition and subtraction of fractions. So how we are doing? This is method is very simple. First we make the denominator same. This is the first step. Then second step, add or subtract the numerator. This is second step. And what is the third step? Try to make it in lowest term, or sometimes it is called simplest form. We call it simplest form also. Clear? So try to make it in lowest term. So the process for addition and subtraction of fractions is very simple. How we are going to do it? We will take one example and then we will learn. Example 1. How we are going to do it? Let us say, and one more thing I want to add here, point number 4. That point is if some mixed fraction is given, you need to change it in improper fraction first. This is the first step basically. Okay, so we have these 4 things and then we will try to solve some questions. And how to do it? It is let example number 1, simplify. Question number 1. First we will take easy question, 7 by 5 plus 3 upon 2. Clear? So how to do it? How to add this fraction? Look, first write 7 upon 5. Make this line big, plus 3 upon 2 and multiply here, times. Clear? This number multiply here and this number multiply here. This is about it. So here it is 2. So we will multiply 2 here. And here it is 5. So we will multiply 5 here. So how much we are getting? 7 times 2 is 14. 5 times 2 is 10. Plus 3 times 5 is 15. And 5 times 2 is 10. So 10 is we call it LCM. Same number. This same number is called LCM. So then 14 plus 15 and the answer is 29 upon 10. Clear? Because 29 is a prime number and we do not have any common factor here. So this is the lowest term. This is the lowest term. Clear? So this is how we are adding two fractions. Clear? Now we will take one question with mixed fraction. Example 2. Simplify 2 7 upon 3 plus 2 upon 5. Clear? So how we are going to do it? First simplify. First make this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. How we are going to do it? Plus 7 and multiply 3 plus 2 upon 5. Now 2 times 3 plus 7 upon 3 plus 2 upon 5. This is how we are doing. Now 5 times 2 is 10. 10 we can directly do it. 10 plus 7 is 17 upon 3 plus 2 upon 5. Now the same improper and proper fraction. So how we are going to do? 17 upon 3 multiply here plus 2 upon 5 multiply here. So here it is written 5. So we will multiply 5 here. 5, 5. And here is written 3. So we will multiply 3 here. Why we are multiplying? Just to make this term and this term same. So how much is the answer? 17 times 5 is 85 upon 5 times 3 is 15 plus 2 times 3 is 6 and 5 times 3 is 15. So it is 91. Sorry, one step we cut it. So 15, it is 85 plus 6 and the answer is 91 upon 15. Understand? Again, this 91 is a prime number, so no need to further solve. One more question we will solve here for subtraction. And how to do it? Look, example 3. It is simplify. It is 5 times 2 upon 3 minus. Let us take 4 upon 5. So methodology is same. There is no change in methodology. Only in place of plus we are using minus. So first we will change this mixed fraction into the improper fraction. And what it is? 5 times 3 plus 2 upon 3 minus 4 upon 5. So it is 5 times 3 is 15 plus 2. 17 upon 3 minus 4 upon 5. Now the same process, we will make this number and this number same. So what is the process? It is 17 upon 3 multiply minus 4 upon 5. Here multiply. So here it is 5. So multiply 5 here in the other one. Here it is 3. So multiply 3 here. So how much we are getting? We are getting 85 upon 15 minus 4 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12 upon 15. So 15 is LCM. It is 85 minus 12. And 85 minus 12 is 73 upon 15. Clear? You can make it in lowest term if it is possible. So this is how we are doing addition and subtraction of fractions. Now the next topic we are starting is the multiplication. Multiplication of fractions. Multiplication of fractions. So in this process is very simple. If we have one fraction a upon b and another fraction c upon d, and we need to multiply it. What it is? One fraction a upon b is given, another fraction c upon d is given. So you need to what? You need to multiply numerator by numerator and b by d. That is ac upon bd. So here we can take examples, and in this case also, if you can make the obtained multiplication into lowest term, that will be good. So example number 1, it is 5 upon 3 multiply 12 upon, say, let us say example is 21. So if we want to multiply these two terms, then how we are going to do? This is multiplication. So numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. And if you multiply 5 times 12, it is 60, and 21 times 3, it is 63. So you will notice here it is 6 and it is 9. Both numbers are divisible by 3. So we can make it little lower. So 60 by 3 is 20 and 63 by 3 is 21. So here, if you will see, there is no common factor between 20 and 21. So this is the lowest term. So this is the multiplication. This is the multiplication of this and this. Another example we will take, and it will take mixed fraction 2 1 by 2 multiply 5 7 upon 3. These two mixed fraction you need to multiply. So what it will be? 2 plus 1 upon multiply 2 and multiply 5 plus 7 upon times 3. So how much it will get? 2 times 2 plus 1 upon 2 and 5, sorry, this is multiplication. 5 times 3 plus 7 upon 3. So 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. Multiply 5 times 3, 15 plus 7, 22 by 3. And it will be equal to, we can do it here, it will be equal to 5 times 22 upon 2 times 3. 5 times 22 is 110 upon 6. Because here is 0 and here is 6, so we can make it lowest by dividing 2. Okay, so if we'll divide this, it will be 55 and it will be 3. Because 3 is a prime number and the 55 is not divisible by 3. So this is the multiplication. This is the multiplication in lowest term. Now the next topic, that is the third one, is division of fractions. Division of fractions. So in division of fractions, what we are going to do? We will use reciprocal of the fraction. So if a upon b is a fraction and we need to divide this fraction by c upon d, by another fraction. So how we are going to do it? We will a upon b, we will change this division into multiplication. By taking reciprocal of this fraction. And how we'll take reciprocal? We will change the numerator into denominator and denominator into numerator. And then it is same like multiplication we were doing, A times D and B times C. So the division is almost like multiplication. Only what is the difference? You need to take reciprocal of fraction here. The second fraction reciprocal is required. For example, you will understand here that 5 upon, let us take 5 upon 3 divided 2 by, say, let us take 5. So how we are going to do? First, you need to change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So it is divided by 2, this is plus 2, this is multiply 5. And it will be 5 upon 3 divided by 5 means 2 times 5 plus 2 upon 5. So it will be 5 upon 3 divided by how much? 5 times 2 is 10 plus 2, 12 upon 5. So if you will change this division into multiply, what you need to do? You need to take reciprocal of this fraction, 5 upon 12. Now 5 times 5 upon 3 times 12. So this is 25 upon 3 times 12 is 36. Clear? So this is the answer, 25 upon 36. This is the division of these fractions. So one more question we will solve here, and this is example number 2. It is say 2 by 7 divided by 2 upon, say, let us take 5. So how we are going to do? We are going to do is 5 plus 2 times 7 divided by 2 upon 5, and this is 5 times 7 plus 2 upon 7 divided by 2 upon 5. So 5 times 7 is 35 plus 2, 37 upon 7, and this is divided by 2 upon 5. Now changing this division into multiplication by taking reciprocal of this. So what is the reciprocal? 5 upon 2. So what it is? Now you can multiply this, 37 multiply 5 upon 5 times 2. So what it will be? It will be 185 upon 5 times 2 is 10. Now if you will see, here it is 5, here it is 0. So we can minimize it by dividing 5, because in the divisibility of 5 I explained you, if 0 or 5 is the first digit, then they are divisible by 5. So if you will solve it, it will be 35 7 upon 2. So this is the required answer. Now what type of question we may ask you in exam? Clear? So there are various possibilities for the exam. We may ask you true false question, we may ask you some just simplification, we may ask you multiple choice question. Clear? So some questions I am writing, you just solve these questions. So this is simplify. Example number 1, 2 upon 3 plus 6 upon 7. What is another possibility? 2 by 5 minus 3 upon 8. What is the third question? 4 1 upon 2 multiply 6 upon 11. And fourth question I will write here. It is 5 1 upon 2 divided by 2 1 upon 5. So these are the simple questions. Means what is the value of these questions? These are simple problems. Only these are 1 marks problem we may ask you in exam. And in multiple choice questions, as far as quiz is concerned, we may ask you like this one. The value of clear 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. This is simple question. It is for quiz only. So what is the answer? You need to find the correct solution. So it is 6 upon say 5. Another option is 5 upon 6. Say 2 by 5. Say 5 upon 2. So which option is correct? You need to find it. Clear? So please solve this question and you will find this 5 upon 6 is the correct solution. So that's all about the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of fractions. Next slide will meet again. Thank you very much.